Are you trying to choose between Notesnook and Standard Notes? You're not alone. Many people wonder which note taking app is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two tools. Both help you organize your thoughts and keep your notes safe, but they have different features that might appeal to you. Let's start with Notesnook. This app is user friendly and focuses on simplicity. It offers a clean interface, making it easy to jot down ideas. You can also organize notes into folders. Plus, it has a built-in dark mode for those late night sessions. Now, let's look at Standard Notes. This app is all about security and privacy. It uses end-to-end encryption to keep your notes safe from prying eyes. The interface is straightforward, but it might feel a bit basic compared to Notesnook. However, it offers powerful extensions for added functionality. So, what are the key differences? Notesnook is more visually appealing and easier to navigate. On the other hand, Standard Notes shines in security and privacy features. If you value aesthetics and ease of use, Notesnook might be for you. If you want top-notch security, go for Standard Notes. Now, let's talk about features. Notesnook has a rich text editor and allows multimedia notes. Standard Notes focus on text but offers various extensions for added capabilities. When it comes to pricing, both apps have free versions. Notesnook has a subscription for extra features. Standard Notes also offers premium options for more extensions and storage. In the end, choose Notesnook if you want a simple, beautiful experience. If security is your top priority, then Standard Notes is the way to go. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.